so you basically cut the car in half.
Yeah. 3D model.
Okay.
About the carbon fiber part. What is coming.
So at this point the guys have under 3 weeks to finish off the car. And by the state of the car at this point, you could say that people had their doubts. But Lasse and Robert never doubted that the car would be finished in time. Not only was the time starting to run out, but certain aspects of the build as well turned out to not be possible at, well, the worst possible time. So the team had to do a lot of stuff behind the scenes that was not shown on the camera, but we will tell you more about that in the upcoming videos. Hello. What is
going
up?
on?
What is going on? Yes.
Just shimming.
Shimming the engine bay.
Yeah. With firewood.
Nice. I noticed that the car is not what it was yesterday.
Yeah,
it's missing some.
Hilux now. Hilux.
Mercedes Hilux.
Yes.
Could you explain what have you done?
Found a big angle grinder and sparks everywhere. And the rest of the car is
history.
Rusting away outside. Here you can see. It's slowly turning
into mold.
Yeah, mold.
Well, that's interesting.
Lots of memories.
Maybe we can do a giveaway.
Free car roof.
Yeah, so you basically cut the car in half.
Yeah.
And why?
The whole rear part is going to be
carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Yes.
It's going to be pretty lightweight.
Oh yeah. Do you need to make any brackets for like the roof going here, or
no,
is it just
really? Maybe.
Will it remain like this?
Yeah, probably only here, like some mounts.
Okay.
Going to the spring mounts.
Okay.
Commercial break. If you were to buy a car which would have gone through the same operation as the one we're doing on the 123 now, and it was a used car that you're going to drive on the street, and you would want to know what has happened to it. With a Carvertical report, that's exactly what you would find out, like with the history. We have an example report here that we'll check. To get a report like this with a 20% discount, use code TDB on carvertical.com. Let's get to the report. The report is from a Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's a 2011. It's a diesel, and Odometer looks good, registration and legal status good, but damage. It says beware, the vehicle has or was damaged 2 times. Repair costs are unknown, and at least the second damage is in Finland in 21. Let's see if it has photos. Yeah. So here you can see this was in fall of 21, and yeah, it has a good good damage in the front. Looks like maybe some kind of animal, or yeah, hard to say. But anyway, it has good damage or bad damage. To get a report like this, use carvertical.com, and to get a 20% discount on the report, use the coupon code TDB or the link below. Let's get back to cutting the 123.
We also installed the water pump.
Okay.
This is only old one.
Yeah, it's
We
just for
use
test fitting.
Testing purposes.
Yep.
And then the fuel cooler there and
Oh yeah. So how are things looking with the carbon fiber parts? For the moment, or do we know?
we are getting the molds pretty soon.
Oh really?
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully.
At least the front part.
Yeah.
It's being built now.
Yeah.
And it should be so ready that we can start almost instantly the wiper glass molding.
Okay.
Like the vacuum.
Yeah.
With vacuum system.
Yes.
We have one guy coming here and he brings all the stuff
Okay.
to make the vacuum system work.
Perfect.
Hopefully we can get all sorted out.
Yes. How about mounting points for the carbon fiber parts? Where will you mount everything and how will you?
Lasse knows better. But here we have this. We made that bracket
Okay.
for the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
It's like fitted with the rear door.
Yeah.
So we know it ends here.
Yeah.
Only have to bend it like this. So
Okay.
there will be no gap between the front
No.
and the carbon fiber.
Yeah. So it's basically a station wagon coupe.
Yeah. It's coupe.
Coupe. No more rear doors.
Yeah.
But
We planned that if we had enough money, we would make like different rear parts.
oh.
Like pick-up and
Damn.
sedan and coupe and everything.
Yeah.
Then change and tell everyone.
Change every day.
Yeah. Tell everyone we have like 5 different cars.
Exactly. I also noticed you had picked or taken out a rather large
Yeah, the
NOS nitros bottle.
Ilokaasu.
Ilokaasu. Laughing gas.
We
so
didn't try that.
no.
Not on
No, but
ourselves.
you have to say it on camera. Yeah. So this
we are
will.
going to fit that between the rear frame, like we thought it would be best, like here, so you could see it everywhere.
Yeah. It looks really cool. Really cool.
Yeah, and if it explodes,
Then
there
nobody.
will be no witnesses.
No witnesses.
It's coming
It's coming along.
one by one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next mission is to get this rear part or
Is the front part.
the front part.
Yeah,
Oh.
we have to make like frame, lightweight frame to make support for the carbon fiber
Ah.
front
Okay.
parts.
Yeah.
Like I can show planning like bending this type of metal part.
Okay.
And then putting like it here.
Okay.
Make some frame to that, to the spring.
Oh, yeah.
Spring support, and then make from that parts for the headlights.
Oh, yeah.
Also, we are not using the stock headlights.
No. I think you mentioned it
Yeah.
when you showed the oil cell.
Yeah, that might be.
That this part will be quite tight.
Yeah, yeah. We have to maybe land the oil tank somewhere else.
Yeah.
I think we have not enough room.
Okay. But
It's pretty hard when we are like planning it, when we are doing it.
yeah, it's tricky. But hopefully you'll figure it out.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully.
At
Yeah.
least we have so many guys doing this, so
Yeah.
we have many ideas.
Yeah. Can that be a problem too? Or is it better? Too many ideas on one?
Yeah, so sometimes it is.
Yeah. How do you say it in Finnish? Liian monta kokit sopassa.
Niin joo tuo. Yeah, it's like too many cooks in one soup.
Yes.
But we are professional
Yeah,
cookers.
yeah, of course. What's up? What's happening?
I am looking the 3D model
Okay.
about the carbon fiber parts. What is coming?
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it is as it should. All that is going to be carbon fiber.
Oh. That's quite cool.
Awesome.
I've never seen something like that before.
I also. It's something new to do.
Yeah. I've seen carbon fiber builds before, but nothing quite as this one.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
What do you think people will think of it after it's...
What I can say.
What do you have any expectations?
No. We really need to wait
Yeah.
and see what happens when we release
Yeah.
everything about
And
this.
finalize everything.
Yeah. And after that you all see these videos how
Yeah.
all is made.
Yeah.
And from this we have like 2 weeks to be ready.
Yeah.
So also my timetable is crazy as well.
Yeah. It feels quite surreal to think that the car
Yeah.
should be done in, well, what do we have? 2 weeks, a little bit more.
Yeah, it's a bit more but not much.
Between 2 and 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's a Tuesday now.
Yeah.
And 2 weeks on Wednesday the... What is that called? Tapeaaminen.
Oh, we're taping the livery, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it starts on Wednesday in 2 weeks, so it's not much time left.
No.
But we do our best and we will be ready then.
Of course.
Boys is going to do one Drift Masters competition.
Yeah. But you will stay here and,
Yeah, I stay here and do my best.
and
all the time.
work like crazy.
Yeah, like 16 hours in every day.
It's crazy.
Need to.
Yeah.
It's only option to be ready in timetable.
Oh.
But
That's
family
crazy.
and me is ready for that, so will not be an issue.
No. Well, I won't disturb you anymore.
Yeah. Keep going.
Yes.
Yeah, Lasse borrowed his front doors from.
Yeah, these are not the ones that came with this car, right?
Yeah, these are from Lasse's ice racer.
Yes.
So we can fit the front part.
Mm-hmm.
Has to make sure the lines are correct.
Yeah.
Like now it's too low on the front, so we have to
Okay.
lift it up, make the support.
Yeah.
The reason for that is like we don't have the carbon fiber body yet,
No.
as originally planned.
There has been some obstacles in the way.
Yeah, pretty big obstacle.
Yeah. But somehow we'll manage.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
we can do it that way.
Yeah.
We have like plan G.
Yeah.
Running out of vocals already. We have like almost every bracket we need to finish for the painting
Oh yeah.
before going to the painting.
Yeah, because you won't get the body kit before painting, right?
Yeah, like Lasse welded the brake reservoir
Okay.
bracket or brake
Yeah.
fluid reservoir
Yes.
and the ADU
Mm-hmm.
bracket, and yeah, it has lots of little things
Yeah.
to do.
You got like what? 3 weeks left?
Yeah, almost really.
Almost 3 weeks. But a lot of stuff will happen in such a short time, so
Yeah, Lasse calculated that in the last week we have like 2 complete days to like put everything
oh,
together. Like we have parts, but then we
They
have
are-
to make like the coolant lines,
okay.
fuel lines, and
Small details
Yeah.
or small,
Small.
but yeah, stuff that you don't
we are
see.
using the AN
Yes.
systems, so those are pretty fast to build.
Yeah.
But the biggest parts, like the metal parts and welding, that's the big part of the whole system.
Yes.
Yeah,
Sounds good. Or do you want to say anything more?
no, maybe that's
That's
all.
good enough.
Me guys building the harness. I don't know. Yeah, I maybe saw that while ago.
Yeah.
And now we have every connector.
Nice.
He has made a complete like what's that called? The wiring diagram.
Okay.
So it's pretty easy to like click on data sheet. What's been
Nice.
wired already, and
That's really
you
good.
can see you don't have double
Okay.
wires there.
Nice.
Everything is good. The front part is like big thing to make everything fit.
Yeah.
Just need Lasse.
Yes.
Can't do this.
Can't do without Lasse.
Yeah. Don't know where he is. Maybe he's
Hi.
planning some future.
Oh. You think he has enough time to do that?
He has.
He's got it.
Yeah. He was in the middle of the night yesterday removing those doors and everything from his car.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
he's
You-
like working 24/7.
Yeah. You done a lot of hours these past weeks on this
Yeah.
car, right?
But we
Must do it to finish it.
yeah.
Perfect.
Hello, this is Teemu from Black Smoke Racing. Before you continue, be sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, thumbs up, and don't forget our web shop. Go and check the tuning parts to the Mercedes engines. And also we have a lot of merch, caps, hoodies, etc. See you in the next episode.